Good morning, students. Hope you are fine at home. So let us continue our study. But today our topic is Roman numerals. As we all know, the numbers formed by using digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are called Hindu Arabic numerals. But symbols used by Romans, the symbols which are used by Romans are called Roman numerals, which are used even today also. The Roman numerals are formed by using 7 symbols which are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. These are 7 symbols which are used in Romans. The value of symbol I mean 1, V mean 5, X mean 10, L mean 50, C mean 100, D mean 500 and M mean 1000. बच्चे, there are 3 symbols which can be repeated but not more than 3. I, X and C. These are 3 symbols which can repeated, but not more than 3 times. Which cannot be repeated more than 3 times. There are 3 symbols also which cannot be repeated, V, L, D. These 3 symbols which cannot be repeated. Okay. Now we are going to write some rules which must be kept in mind while following Roman numerals. Only you have to understand these rules properly so that you can write down Roman number easily. Okay. First rule is, when a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it is repeated. What does it mean? Suppose I have take one symbol I and I. It means this symbol is getting repeated. How many times it is getting repeated? 1, 2 and 3. It is repeated at 3 times. I mean 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. These 3 I means 3. Okay. Take one more example. I have written X and X. X symbol is repeated 2 times. X and X mean 10. 10 plus 10, it become 20. Okay. This was our first rule. Now second rule. When a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of the symbol of greater value, the smaller value is added to the greater value. It means when smaller value is written to the right of this symbol of greater value, means V, I. Okay. V is greater value and I is smaller value. If smaller value is written right to the greater value, then it will add to the greater value. Greater value V mean 5 and I mean 1. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay. We'll take one more example. C and X. Okay. C is greater value and X is smaller value, and X is written right to the greater number. So X mean 100. Sorry, C mean 100 and X mean 10. So it will add to the, okay, C mean 100 and X mean 10. So it will become 110. But this was our second rule. Now come to is, when a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of the symbol of greater value, the smaller value is subtracted from the greater value. Means if smaller value is written left to the greater value. Take one example. Okay, V is greater value and I is smaller value. I smaller value is written left to the greater value, so it will become subtract. V means 5 and I means 1, so it will become 4. Okay, take one more example. X and C. Okay, C is C is greater value and X is smaller value. Smaller value is written left to the greater value, then it will become subtract. So C mean 100 and X mean 10. So 100 minus 10 it will become बच्चे 90. So बच्चे our next rule is if a smaller numeral is placed between two greater numeral. Okay, if a smaller number is placed between two greater number. Okay, if a smaller numeral is placed between two greater number, now this smaller value is lying between the two greater symbol, this X and V. So what will happen? Then it is always subtracted from the numeral immediately following it. So we have to subtract this, the value of this symbol, lower value of this symbol from which is written after that. So the value of X is, we will subtract the lower value which is written after that. So X value is 10 plus. We have to subtract this I from V. V means 5 and I means 1. So 10 plus 5 minus 1, it will become 4. So it will be 14. Okay. It means the lower value symbol is subtracted from the symbol which is written after that. The lower value symbol is subtracted from the symbol which is written after that. We will take one more example, बच्चे. I, X and C. C means 100. This I lower value will be subtracted from the next symbol which is written after that. I means 1 and X means 10. 10 minus 1. Okay. So 10 minus 1 will become 9 and 100 plus 9 it will become बच्चे 109. Okay. This was our fourth rule. Now fifth rule is बच्चे, if a bar is placed over the numeral then it is multiplied by 100. I am repeating again. If a bar is placed over the numeral then it is multiplied by number. We'll take one example. Suppose I have taken one symbol V, okay, and I have placed one bar over V. So what will become? V means 5. According to this rule, if bar is placed over the numeral then it will be multiplied by 1000. So 5 will be multiplied by 1000. It will become 5000. Okay, take one more example like this. I have taken one symbol L and I placed one bar over L. So what will it become? L means 50. Okay, and bar will multiply it by 1000. Okay, it will become 50,000. Okay, this was our 5 rules which must be kept in mind while following these Roman numbers. First of all, what you have to do, you have to learn their symbols. I mean 1, V mean 5, X mean 10, L mean 50, C mean 100, D mean 500 and M mean 1000. Okay, so this was our Roman numerals.